Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make cookie truffles. So let's see what you need for this. Let's get started. Crush all these ingredients in the blender except your toppings. Cookies, cream cheese, and vanilla extract. Roll the mixture between your hands into balls. And place on a baking sheet a few inches apart. Let it chill in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Once your truffles is hard and cold, use a toothpick to dip your truffles in chocolate. You can use fork or a spoon also. Truffles are fun because you can roll them in the toppings of your choice. I'm using coconuts, crushed almonds, and sprinkles. I usually use my hand. Refrigerate the truffles again at least 30 minutes before serving. So my gorgeous cookie truffles is ready to plate. Hope you guys like it. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.